What's up guys, I just did a quick 15-minute install on these hood lights on my Foreigner. I wish I did this a lot sooner. The mod only cost me about $13 and I really procrastinated it, but it was a super easy install and it really will give me visibility if I ever have an issue on the trail. So again, it's already popped, but let's go ahead and take a look. There you go guys. Super bright, visible. You can see everything, especially the engine bay. And this was the install, so on, off, just like that. Let's watch the install. All right, let's go ahead and go over everything that's in this kit. So if you got a little baggie here that has a bunch of zip ties. And here's the packet for the LED light strip. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. So what we got inside is going to be the LED light strip. So this is bendable and it has double-sided tape, which is going to go on the back side of the hood. And then here is going to be the 12-volt wire that's going to lead to the 12-volt battery here. And then there's also going to be a fuse. And then this end is going to be sticking onto this end here. So the way that this works is once there's power connected through the 12-volt battery, now this is going to activate, this is going to push down. When the hood is down, it's going to turn off the light. But when we release the hood and the terminal touches this part here, it's going to go ahead and turn on the light. So that's how it works here. So again, when this is closed, the terminal is not connected. When it's open, the light's going to turn on. Let's go and get to the install. So before I get started, I'm just going to do a quick test just to make sure it works before I start drilling. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get, again, this negative, which I'm going to plug through here. All right, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in the positive, and this goes right here. And I'm just going to slip it here for now. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab this metal terminal, and I'm going to go ahead and touch this metal, aluminum metal, or this metal bracket that's underneath here. So I plan to mount this right here, but there's going to be a little metal piece here, so I'm just going to test if it's going to be groundable. And so if I touch that metal part, there you go. So that's what I'm testing here, is that this is going to be a metal piece that's going to be able to be a ground for this switch. And so there's actually, for the Foreigner, there's actually going to be a little hole that's right here. Let me go ahead and touch it. Okay, right here. So right here, there's already a metal hole that's in the underneath here. So I'm just going to match this up, drill a hole through here, and this should work as a suitable ground. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this screw off. I'm just going to adjust it on a pretty low notch here and see if it'll work. I can always adjust it if needed. Let's go and put the washer and the nut back underneath. All right, now I've got this preset. Let me test out if the ground is going to be a good enough connection. And if everything goes well, this should turn on. There you go. It turns on, and then once the hood is down, it should turn off. So everything looks good so far. I just need to go ahead and wire everything out together. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and place the lighting underneath here so it's kind of nice and flush. So I'm gonna wipe down all the dirt. And I wanna keep it towards the battery area because I feel like that's mainly where I'm gonna be working at. And this strip is probably only about just a little bit over a foot, so it doesn't cover the whole front. So I think this is gonna be good. I'll be satisfied here. I do need to just wire loom everything together to make sure everything is nice and tidy. But let's remove that 3M tape or that double-sided tape. And then, all right. Okay, so that's how I have it hooked up so far. Last thing I need to do is wire loom everything up so it's nice and tidy. Got some wire loom. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these plastic clips underneath to hold the wire loom and run it across. I initially wanted to fit the wire loom through this, but it was kind of too small, so I'm just gonna use it as an anchor, and I'm gonna use tie straps to tie it down. And there you have it, guys. Super easy install. Wish I'd done it a lot sooner. I'll have a link below for this product on Amazon. Make sure you guys don't sleep on it. And again, if you guys ever have any issues on the trail, everything is nice and visible and you're able to work on the vehicle. Super nice and convenient. And if you guys are saying, hey, what if there's an issue on the wheel well area? Well, guys, I also have a solution for that. Let me go ahead and show you guys my last fit rock lights. So this is my Switch Pro, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my rock lights. There you go, rock lights underneath. Very easy to fix on my vehicle now. By the way, the rock lights also have an amber glow, so if I ever want to do amber, that's also the color. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys on that next video. Make sure you guys hit like, subscribe, support the channel. I'll keep making these mod videos for you guys. See you guys on the next one.